If you're going through your spiritual awakening, you may have realized that even though it's exciting and you want to be on this journey and you know this is an exciting journey to be on, and you also want to awaken more fully, you may have also realized that it can be quite intense, because with every stage of your ascension, with your awakening, more intense feelings are coming, and it can be quite challenging and overwhelming. Now, in this video today, I was guided to share a light code activation with you to really assist you in the ascension, to release a lot of that intense feelings that you may be feeling that has been kickstarted through your or by your spiritual awakening, and also help you uplift even more, to really step into that more ascended, more awakened state of being that you're now ready to awaken and ascend to. So stay tuned. Hello there, beautiful soul. In case you don't know me, my name is Kay Sanders. I assist awakening souls on their spiritual awakening journey to really awaken to their power within so they can create more success, abundance, and freedom in their life, all while making a bigger impact in the world. So if that's you, if you're on your spiritual awakening journey, I truly believe that you have come to see this video for a reason. So I want to invite you, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I release new content. So in today's video, I was really called to share this light language activation with you, because with each stage of your awakening, you need to incorporate or integrate more of the higher levels of light, more of the higher frequencies as well, so you can really move up the ladder in your ascension. But then also with each stage of your awakening and throughout your awakening, there's also certain things that are coming up to the surface that need to be healed and released. And that's really what I was guided to do in this video today, is to really assist you with that, in releasing what is now ready to be released, and also infusing you with that higher frequencies and the higher frequencies of lights, and also help you integrate that, because that is very important, that you integrate those higher frequencies so you can then really show up in a more ascended way, in a more awakened way, and really also awaken more fully. Now, there is a process, of course, in the spiritual awakening. You have to go through different stages of releasing certain things, of awakening more, of discovering more, and it can be quite challenging. And I do want to invite you, I just released my previous video. It's about the dark side of a spiritual awakening. I want to invite you, take a listen to that, because it may also answer some questions for you that you may have about why you're experiencing the things that you're experiencing. And I also have another video about 6 tips on how to actually cope with your spiritual awakening. So I highly recommend those 2 videos that you can tune into to get some insights into what is going on and how to best cope with it, because being on your spiritual awakening journey is really the best journey that you can ever be on. But it is also quite intense, which is why my guides want me to share this light language with you. So I want to invite you to really open yourself up to allowing this light code activation to do whatever it's intended to do, because it is to your highest and greatest good. Now, the intention for this light code activation is really to help you with your ascension, to help you integrate those higher levels of frequencies, and also to activate them within you as well, so you can awaken more fully. And also, of course, to release any tension that may have been caused through this ascension, and also release any discomfort, any tension that has been caused by this ascension, by this awakening. So if you may just put both feet on the ground, allow yourself to really get centered. So take a deep breath in, and as you're breathing in, breathe in light and love. Really allow yourself to fill your entire body, your entire being with this white light. And as you breathe out anything that doesn't need to be here, any tension, frustration, fear, worry, anything that doesn't need to be here. And as you breathe in again, allow yourself to close your eyes. And when you breathe out, just drop down into your heart and get centered. Now I ask to be surrounded by 100,000 angels, ascended masters, spirit guides, and beings of the light that can best support us now. I also call upon the highest and best, most loving dragon guides that can best support us now. Please step forward, connect with us now. Uplift us so we may be open, ready, and able to receive this light code transmission. We ask to be healed and released of any densities that are affecting us negatively, that is holding us back from ascending. Please heal and release any fragments of our past that are now ready to be released. cleanse our energy field, and cut any ties and cords that are now ready to be released. Please infuse our heart with light codes of activation and help us to ascend and awaken more fully into the next level that we are now ready to ascend to. Please remove any fears, worries, or discomfort that may be brought on by our awakening, and help us to trust in this divine process of coming home, of rediscovering the truth of our divine being. And so it is. Tu urahan nakut ushtikit ihi itu ura atelekit ehi nukuru ura tatashte itinata. Nukutuku ura atakata ete eshte neti ituku utanakata a. Nushtukutu ukrahata enekit iku ura hakata ekit ura atana ete ishtanakata ete ura utanakata ahate. Nu ushta aha amakate kir uru takata a. Nu ushtana ate ele etu ura atana etu urata. Nu kutu ushtana kata ehe etu ura ale e nashta kata ihi nu kutu ura haa. Lekiti ishtana kata aha kata ura kata ishta kata ah. Nu shtana takatele ruhu kata aha ana kata ashte ete kata ura anata. Nu malakara a il e nu kuuta kata ate neshte eti kiti uhutu nata a. Nu uraha na atini kit ura atakat ani kit I ura atakat ishtana ati it kit ahata ata ete e. Nu ushtana ane ete lakar ahane ete ura atene ete I kit ura ataka ishtina ata. Nu kut uhu kata anna ata ate kit ehe enu utu ura leshtana. Hu ushtana kata ita kata kutu uru tu kata ane kit ite ilakara nis. Sata kata ushtana. Numa alesh takata a. Nukutu uhu natatakati nakatala ra ishtana atulukrotu. Nu utu nakata atenete eti nakata ata anata ahati itu ura ata. Nu uraha ene etu ura ana ane ti ikud ura ata nakata ata ehe nukud ushtana kata aha atene kata ara oda idu ura an ile e nushta a nukud ale in arashtene ete. Allow yourself to really tune into your heart at this moment. Drop into your heart. Allow yourself to expand within your heart center. Ku ushtakata enekata it ku uratana ete iti itu urahatana ata. Nu utanakata ate ete itu urahata lakata atinekata itu uratashte iti itu urahata atata. Nu ustana ate ete ehete ihi itu urana ate e. You're now being infused by light codes of that higher frequency, which is why it's important that you focus within your heart. This is the gateway for these light codes to enter within. And allow yourself to be filled with white light coming from your heart center. Allow yourself to radiate this light out, expanding it, starting from within your heart, and then filling your entire being from the inside out. Forming an orb around you. Push out this white light until you see it coming out of every fiber of your being, creating this orb around you. This is also your protection orb. You may call upon this orb anytime you feel challenged, worried, or even stretched in your awakening. Allow yourself to also then fill this orb with white light, as this white light is of healing, of cleansing, and also upliftment. It has been activated within you at this time. Ku ura ana kata elekat ishte iti idu ura ta ana ete iku ura atana kata ati ite if tukut ura ta ana ta ati tukut ura atana ate eket ishta ana ati itu ura ata ana ati itu uru ta ana ati iti itu ura ata nukutu ushtana atala kata aha ati na ta. You're also being raised in consciousness at this time as well, where your receiving channels are being opened and activated to receive the higher codes to allow you to ascend to that next level. We want to also remove any fears that may are coming up at this time, any doubt or worry of what that may mean for you. Allow yourself to just take that next step. You do not need to know the entire picture, or what it may look like, how your life may change, or how it will be affected. None of that matters in this moment. If you trust within your heart, and you trust what you feel within your heart, you know that you are right where you're meant to be, that this awakening is meant to unfold. Trust in your inner knowing that you are on this path for a reason. We also wish to release any past life experiences that may keep you from truly and fully awakening to that next level that you're now ready to step into or ascend to. We also wish to cut any cords that are now ready to be cut, that are still attached to you from this lifetime and any past lifetimes, even any other dimensions and other timelines that are now ready to be collapsed, cut and collapsed and removed. Allow yourself to open up to receiving this activation in this moment, right here, right now. See the white light within your mind's eye. See the white light coming from above, falling down up on you, activating you and uplifting you, raising you to that next level that you're now comfortable in ascending to and now are ready to. If you feel any resistance, allow this resistance to fall away. This is just a quick hurdle or stopping point on your journey. Allow it to dissolve. Now allow yourself to ground this energy into your being right now, right here, in this moment. Bring it down, down into you, into your being, down into your heart, down through your feet, down into Mother Earth, and anchor in this energy. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. This activation has now been anchored into your being, into your energetic makeup, into your DNA. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Now just take a deep breath in. And allow yourself to really anchor in this energy. And when you're ready, you may open up your eyes. Whew. That was quite powerful. My head is still spinning, so I hope you enjoyed this light language transmission. Now, there was a lot going on. A lot has been released. A lot has been anchored. A lot has been activated. So you may feel a little out of it. You may feel a little tired right now. It's perfectly fine. I want to invite you. I want to share some action steps with you. I want to invite you, for one, drink a lot of water, because there was a lot that was going on just now. And then also you may write in your journal. Get your journal out and write in it whatever has come up for you. Now you may had glimpses of anything past life related or anything in this lifetime. Whatever has come up for you as you were listening to this light language came up for a reason. So you may want to then write about it and release even more. Like I said, it has come up for a reason. It is now ready to be released. So sometimes things need to come up in order to be released, in order to then really embody that next level of energy, that next level of frequency. So I want to invite you, give yourself that time to really do this inner work. And allow yourself to integrate now. Now, like I said, this was a powerful activation. Like, my head is still spinning, so this was quite powerful. So allow yourself, give yourself the time to really integrate. Now, if you're noticing any resistance that may come up, whether it is doubt about, well, what am I here to do? Or is this really what I'm meant to do? Nothing came up and this is not working, or anything like that. Whatever resistance you're noticing, I want to invite you to tune into that resistance and ask it, what's the lesson here? What's the message here? Because when you ask, then you can become aware of what's going on, and then you have the power of choice. Because once with awareness comes the power of choice, and you can do something about it, whether it is journaling about it a little bit more, or making a decision that you're done with it, you want to release it, whatever you feel called to do. But with that awareness comes the power of choice. So allow yourself to now integrate this. Allow yourself to release whatever is coming up for you right now, because it's coming up for a release. It's coming up for a reason. It's coming up for release. So give yourself that time. Like I said, drink some water, refresh yourself, integrate, maybe give yourself some time. Maybe if you can even go outside, if it's not too cold wherever you're at, and just integrate, maybe connect with Mother Earth. Put your feet on the ground and really connect with Mother Earth. You want to anchor that in. You want to ground that in. So really powerful. But I just want to say thank you so much for being here. Now, I do want to invite you to check out that video about the dark side of the spiritual awakening, and also the 6 tips about your awakening, so if you need some extra help on that one. But thank you so much for being here, and I really look forward to speaking with you again in the next video. Until then, make an amazingly abundant, successful day. Namaste.